How are you? Today we are going to look at literacy. I'm Evelyn, reception class teacher, courtesy of Fountain Valley School. So today we are going to look at a certain sound. Before I introduce that sound, I'll show you an object. What am I having? I'm holding an orange. Can everyone say orange? Orange. What sound are you getting from this object? Sounding O. O. I have another object. Okra. Okra. Another one. Onion. Onion. So we are going to look at sounding O. Sounding O. 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 Now, how do we write sound O in the air? How do we write sound O in the air? Round, round. Now, I'm going to write sound O on the board. Round, space, round, space, round, space, round. My O is sitting on the line. We are going to count 2 lines and we skip. 1, 2. Round, space, round, space, round, space, round. 1, 2. We skip. Round, space, round, space, round, space, round. So now let's sing the sound song. Oscar orange, oh, 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 oh. Oscar orange, oh, 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 Oscar orange, Oscar orange. So we've looked at sounding O, and my sound is sitting on the line. I'm beginning from the red line, which is our margin line. Now we are going to draw an orange. And this is with the orange. Let's read together orange, orange, orange. Sounding O, 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 O. So now what we are going to do, we are going to write sound O in our books. Before we write our sounds, make sure we copy date. Today's date is 22 June 2021. Next line, you write your first name. After first name, you copy the title Sounding O. Sounding O. Then you draw a picture of an orange with orange. Then you write Sounding O. O space, O space, O space, O. After line 1, you count the lines 1, 2, you skip. You start. O space, O space, O space, O. This is my book. In your book, you put a finger to create a space. I'll show you on the other goes like this. Round. You put a finger, space. Round. Space. Round. 1, 2, then you continue. Round. Space. Round. Space. Round. So when writing letter O, make sure you follow correct letter formation. Correct letter formation. I'm standing in front of you. From the door, you start like this. Round. So this arrow will guide you on how to write sound O. Sound O. Get the books. Find the page. Okay, now I'll give you the pencils. When writing, you say round, space, round. When you're done, you raise your hand. Those who finish first, I'll put a very good and a star. 2 stars for first 5 pupils. So if you finish first, you raise your hand. Very good. 2 stars for you. Very good. Wow, nice way. Very good. Very good. So now we are going to conclude our lesson. So I'll show you the same object. Onion. Onion. Say after me, onion. Orange. Orange. Okra. Okra. Now we are going to look at other pictures and wait for sound O on the chart. Read after me. Ostrich.